to issue the warrant of arrest.
This was the decision of the Senate Committee on Women after it refused to accept the reason cited in Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go's letter for her non-appearance in the hearing. According to Senator Nancy Binay, Go cannot use mental health as an alibi.
Nakakahiya naman po dun sa mga tunay na may mental health condition. Seryosong usapin ang mental health at hindi po ito dapat ginagamit na dahilan para magsinungaling.
This is the second time that Go snubbed the Senate hearing. Meantime, the lawyers of the suspended mayor filed before the Supreme Court on Wednesday a petition for certiorari to block the invitations and subpoena of the Senate committee headed by Ontiveros. The petition for certiorari also includes a prayer for the issuance of a temporary restraining order from implementing a subpoena and from placing Go as a resource person in the hearings.
Among the reasons cited by Go